Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning point analysis videos with me, which market analyst at Hantec Markets on Friday 25th of Jan. Let's have a look at cable, which broke higher again this morning. There were, well, to be honest, it's been breaking higher all week on the prospect of positive moves through Brexit. The latest move this morning, early this morning, was came on the back of press reports that suggested that the DUP in the Parliament was ready to back Theresa May's original deal. So, sort of any move that takes the UK away from a harder Brexit, I think, is seemingly a positive for sterling. A little bit of a sort of leaking away of those gains initially, which has not especially helped sterling, but you can see that the technicals on sterling remain very strong, don't you? The RSI in the mid-60s, highest since September. MACD lines, look at those MACD lines pulling higher, stochastic strongly configured. It all suggests sort of buying into weakness remains the way to play sterling. And you've got this hourly chart. If I sort of pull away, you can see here where we've gone strongly higher. Again, a corrective move. You could argue a little bit of a near-term negative divergence, something to maybe keep an eye on there in the coming days on both on both RSI and MACD lines actually, but we'll be interested to see how the market responds to 30 big figure as a support if it comes there, because 30 big figure is a breakout level. It was a basis of support over a couple of sessions, and then basis of resistance over a couple of sessions, then broke out, so then became supportive yesterday. So 29.20, this old pivot to 30 big figure is a basis of support that I'm looking at now, and I think that the fact that we've sort of corrected back a little bit, I think is likely to be given another chance to buy potentially, because it seems as though that the attitude towards sterling is to buy into weakness now, and certainly given the run higher that we've had this week. You could argue yesterday's candle is a bit of a questionable doji candle. Then also, if you close below that level today, you're going to get a negative candle as well to follow that. So that doesn't especially sort of bode well near term, and maybe then puts support at 30 big figure back under pressure. But as I said, you're still within this uptrend, and I think that rallies are a chance to buy. Corrections are a chance to buy. So that suggests that the momentum indicators are still very strong and pushing higher. So yeah, we continue to see, I think, sterling recovery in due course, and that's going to remain the case, I think, above this 29.20 to 30 big figure support band. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.